Hey, what is up everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and I have another 10 tweaks for you guys. These are not tweaks that have been updated or old tweaks that are compatible with iOS 11. These are brand new tweaks that have been released for iOS 11. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and enjoy the tweaks. The first tweak for this video, it's a pretty cool one. It's called Translucency Parallax. It will add a pretty cool effect to the apps on your iOS 11 device. You can see right here, it takes the background of the device that you have set on your home screen. So it's basically this nice translucent parallax effect. It looks pretty cool. It will apply it to all the apps on your device. You can see here the calculator. If I go to another app here, the phone, it looks pretty cool. Even in the folders, if I go, you can see this nice cool effect right here. Just remember that this tweak right now is on beta, so it has a few bugs. Sometimes I find it hard to scroll on some apps because of course it's still on beta, but if you want to try it out, I will leave the repo right down below in the description of the video. ReallCC is a must-have tweak for iOS 11. I don't know why Apple did this, but you cannot completely turn off Wi-Fi or Bluetooth from the control center. You will have to do that through the settings. All you can do here is disconnect your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, not turn it off. But with this tweak installed, of course, you can turn off the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi. You can completely turn them off directly from the control center. To install the tweak, you will need a repo, which of course you can find in the description. Pico Banners 2. This tweak brings this new look to the banners on iOS 11. You can see how cool that looks. Basically, the banners will be the size of the status bar, not any bigger. So this will replace the stock big iOS 11 banners with this cool new ones. As you can see how small that is, it looks really awesome. I really like how this tweak looks. So to install it, you will need, of course, to add a repo, which you will find in the description. Rooster, this one is pretty cool. It allows you to use 3D touch to enable or disable notifications for an app. So right here, the mail app, you can see I have the notifications enabled. If I 3D touch on it, I will have an option here to disable the notifications for the mail app. And you can see right here, if I go to the notifications, you can see now the notifications are off. The same goes for enabling it. Just go right here, click enable notifications, and you will have notifications on that app. Double tap to lock. This tweak allows you to double tap anywhere on the home screen to lock your device. As easy as that. Just double tap there and your device will be locked. If you go to the settings of this tweak, all you can find here is an enable button where you can enable or disable double tap to lock. LegiBilly allows you to customize the text on your device. So basically labels, pop-ups, anything where is text on it, you can change its color. So you enable the tweak here, and then you have primary color, you have the secondary color, you have date view text here for the date on the lock screen, and you have for the pop-ups home icon labels. You can add also a highlight to the labels on the home screen, just like this. As you can see here, black highlight, red labels. You can change the labels on the status bar. Also on the lock screen, you can see black there, red on the status bar. So basically, any label on your device can be customized using LegiBilly. All you have to do is just come here to the settings, enable it, and then just choose any color you want for any section. Swish Bar. This tweak will enable the status bar on the app switcher. If you have noticed, when you go to your app switcher, the status bar is not there, but with this tweak installed, now you can have the status bar even in the app switcher. TimeReplacer. This tweak allows you to replace the time on the status bar with any text you want, or an emoji, or anything you want. All you have to do is just go to the settings of this tweak, enable it right here, and just enter any text you want right there. Mypomonella is a tweak for the Cydia apps. It allows you to modify Cydia, so you enable it right here under settings, and you have a bunch of options right here that you can enable or disable, of course. Like you can enable a black keyboard, or you can enable full screen view if you have an iPhone 10. That's pretty awesome. So you have also disable auto refresh sources and stuff like that, which can be enabled or disabled right here. You can find this tweak for free under the Big Boss repo. NoMoreSmallApps. This is a tweak that you should have if you have an iPhone X jailbroken on iOS 11. So basically it will force all the apps to work on full screen on the iPhone 10. As you know, a lot of apps are not updated yet for the screen of the iPhone 10, but with this tweak you will force all of them to go full screen. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Of course, more tweaks videos are coming, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already to not miss any of those, and I see you guys on the next one.